Trading skills, blockchain, Go development, Node.js, Vue.js, HR consulting, Microsoft Power BI, instruction design, React.js, videographers, HTML5 developer, ghost writers, Unity 3D developers, business consult, coders, marketing consults, web designing, how to make money online. Illustrators, Google AdWords experts, digital marketers, project managers, Arduino programmers, Ruby developers, Angular JS developers, full stack developers, email marketing consultants, React Native developers, Swift developers, CSS developers, Google's SketchUp freelance, backend developers, Smartsheet freelance, Zoom video conference freelancers. Top skills in USA, graphic designers in US, how to make money online, web designer in US, WordPress developers in US, writer in US, Circulalum developers in US, fashion designer in US, WooCommerce developers in US, how to make money online, D3GS developers in US, Squarespace developer in US, Ghostwriter in US, Shopify developer in US, technical sports agent in US, accountants in US, virtual assistant in US, product developers in US, CAD CAT designers in US, tax preparers in US, ebooks designer in US, Zoho CRM specialist in US, Google AdWords experts in US, Atlanta GA freelancers, Austrian TX freelancer, Brooklyn NY freelancer, Charlotte at NCN freelancer, how to make online, Chicago IL freelancer, Dallas tax freelancers, Denver CO freelancers, Houston TX freelancer, Las Vegas NY freelancers, Los Angeles CF freelancers, Miami FL freelancers, New York NY freelancers, Orlando LF freelancers, Philadelphia PA freelancers, Phoenix AS freelancers, Portland OR freelancer, San Diego CF freelancer, San Francisco CF freelancer, San Jose CF freelancer, Seattle Y